Hello friends, welcome to JS channel. Today we are going to see box type double-sided slider like this. This is the one. I got it somewhere, this one. So this is how it works. By looking at this, I made one sample. This is what I made. There is a mechanism inside. I'll tell you what is the mechanism inside, how it works. Okay, this is the mechanism. If you look closer, this is a roller and there is a wrapper around it. There are two cards at the bottom and at the top. This is the portion you have to stick in the roller. This is the portion you have to stick in the roller. When you pull this card this side, and this will move because the roller rotates along this angle. So this is how it looks when you pull out the card. So the card is pulled out and this card at the bottom will move till this. This is the box you will be seeing. This is how it is. If you pull, this is what happens. Can you see? So this is the mechanism inside this. Let's see what are the tools required for this. Okay, these are the measurements we are going to create our card. This is the strip which we use to make the box, and these are two cards which use it for slider. This box made about 4 sections, and these are a foldable area. 7 cm width, 0.5 cm for fold, 7 cm, 0.5 cm for the fold, 7 cm, and 0.25 cm for the fold, 6.8 cm. We'll cut out this area. This is one full strip. We'll make this strip for the box. These are two cards for the slider, 6.6 cm and 12 cm long. Similarly, 6.6 cm and 12 cm long. If you look at it, this is 7 cm and this is 6.6 cm, which will easily slide in. So that is the reason we made it little smaller. Okay, now let's see how to make this. Okay, now to cut this, I'm going to create a scoring mark so that we can easily fold. I'm using a sharp edge like this, but it's not too sharp to tear the page. You can use a ballpoint pen or something similar. So just create a score. Okay, now we folded it. So this is how it has been folded. So the one smaller fold should go inside and this should go above the box. This is how it should look. Right? So there are one more cuts we need to do. I'll show you. The inner one, right, which goes inside the box, we need to cut this portion out, these two portions. So our roller mechanism will be fixed here. So the measurement for this is, one side it should be smaller, so now I made it 1 cm height, and this gap is 0.5 cm and this side is 0.5 cm, similar here. If you look at that, this portion I made it curved, so that it is soft, so the card is not stuck, or to use less friction. That's the idea here too. And if you look this portion of all this section of the side of the card, you have to cut this area out so that you can use your finger to pull the card inside. These are the two cards we already made, so which will run inside this. Okay. Okay. Now let's make a rolling mechanism. For that, we need to have a polythene sheet, this little thicker sheet, but you can use any polythene sheets like a shopping bag or something. So what you have to do, measure this width and make a strip out of it. Usually it should be double the length of this plus extra, so that you can overlap it and tape it. This is the strip. With this too transparent, maybe you may not able to see it. Let me show like this. I hope you can see. This is a strip. Place it something like this, and you have to stick a tape on it. Let me take a tape, small portion of a tape. Just need to tape it. Try to align properly, so need not be too tight, so give some space so that it rotates. Can you see that? It rotates. Now we have to stick this two cards. One at the top and one at the bottom. I'll tell you how to stick. Okay, I use this Fevicol, which is a PVA glue. Now we'll stick this. Make sure it is aligned to the card. We'll turn this. See, the one which we apply the Fevicol glue here, but now we have to apply the glue this side. Now the glue is dry. You can check how it works. So this is how it will move. Can you see? Okay, there is one more thing we have to do. So there are two cards here. So out of these two cards, one is for pull, another one which will move out, right? So the gap which we already created here, we should have the same cut in one of this card. So you decide which one you want to pull, then do the cut in the other card. I'll show you how to do that. Now I closed it, making a mark. And I'm going to cut this card. Now let's close and see how it works. Now we can apply glue here and close the box. Now we glued it. We keep it for dry. Let it dry for some time. Now it's dried. That's all. We have done this. You can use this design for any greeting card or invitation, and you can decorate as you wish. Maybe you can stick a picture here, and that's it. Enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave in a comment. Thank you.